Have you ever worried if your money is really safe with a digital banking service like Chime? It's a common question in today's world of online finance. With the convenience of apps and instant transactions, it's natural to wonder about security. Are these platforms as secure as traditional banks, or are you more vulnerable to fraud? The short answer is yes, Chime is a safe platform, and they have several security measures in place to protect your money. Let's break down exactly what those are. First and foremost, your deposits with Chime are FDIC insured. Now, a lot of people get confused because Chime isn't a traditional bank itself, it's a financial technology company. But it partners with FDIC-insured banks like the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. This means your money is held in a real, regulated bank, and it's protected up to the standard limit of $250,000 per depositor in the unlikely event that a partner bank were to fail. Beyond that, Chime has a ton of features designed to fight fraud on a day-to-day basis. They use strong encryption to protect your personal information and transactions. This is the same level of security you'd find at a major bank. They also give you powerful tools right in the app. You get real-time transaction alerts, so if someone uses your card, you know about it instantly. And if you see a suspicious charge or lose your card, you can immediately freeze it with a single tap in the app, preventing any further transactions. Plus, your Chime debit card is protected by Visa's zero liability policy. This means you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges if your card is lost, stolen, or used fraudulently. Now, while Chime does a lot to protect you, it's a two-way street. Scammers are always trying to find new ways to trick people. A lot of fraud happens when people are convinced to willingly send money or give away their personal information. Chime will never ask for your password or verification codes over the phone, so always be on alert for anyone who does. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.